This video briefing discusses the upcoming series of storms that will impact Southern California Thursday through next Monday and possibly into next Tuesday as well, with significant impacts possible. I'm Stephen Harrison, forecaster. This loop shows the jet stream pattern with the colors indicating wind speeds. The jet stream remains strong across the Pacific and continues to direct storms into California, which is why we continue to see an active weather pattern in our region. This animation shows the upper level weather pattern and precipitation from the GFS model from late Wednesday through early next Tuesday. 4 storms are predicted to move through the region during that time. As far as the storm timing goes, we have high confidence that the first storm will arrive late Wednesday night, bring widespread precipitation early Thursday before things taper off in the late afternoon and early evening. Then storm number 2 comes in late Thursday night and brings potentially heavy rains during the day Friday. There is lower confidence on the timing of the third storm, which would arrive during the day Saturday. Then, potentially the strongest storm of the series arrives late in the weekend, with precipitation possibly continuing into early Tuesday. Here's a preliminary look at precipitation totals for the 4 storms. Keep in mind that this is a preliminary precipitation amount forecast, and forecast amounts are likely to increase as we get closer to the arrival of the storms and confidence increases. Right now, it looks like there is a potential for widespread amounts of 2 to 4 inches in the coast, 3 to 5 inches in the valleys, 5 to 10 inches in the mountains with local 12-inch amounts, 1 to 3 inches in the high deserts, and 1 to 2 inch amounts in the lower deserts. This image shows a model depiction of how abnormally strong the winds aloft are predicted to be Saturday morning. The yellows over our region indicate that winds this strong happen on average once every 2 years or so. We could see potentially damaging westerly winds late Friday through Saturday, with the strongest winds occurring in the mountains and deserts. However, gusts of 40 miles per hour may occur in the coast and valleys as well. The series of storms will create strong winds and large, rough seas for the coastal waters, in addition to potentially very large and damaging surf conditions. The winds could reach gale force at times Friday and Saturday, with seas rising as high as 18 feet. The highest surf will likely occur Saturday when a very large west-northwest swell combines with a moderate-sized long-period swell. Potential impacts from this series of storms includes flash flooding and river flooding, debris flows from recent burn scars, heavy snowfall above 5,000 foot elevation and very heavy snow above 6,000 foot elevation, with accumulations down to the 4,000 foot level. Thunderstorms will also be possible at times, and all of the precipitation and winds will likely cause travel disruptions, including during the morning and evening rush hours. Strong winds could produce structural damage and knock down trees and power lines. Also expect dense fog in the mountains. Surf could be damaging and produce minor coastal flooding, and winds could reach gale force across the coastal waters. Lightning will be possible at the beaches, and waterspouts could occur as well. And finally, the saturating rains, in addition to strong winds, could also help to knock diseased and drought-stricken trees to the ground. That's the end of this video briefing. Make sure to stay tuned for further updates. Thanks for watching.